Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unlock your PDF file. In a previous video of mine I showed you how to protect your PDF file by adding a password on your PDF file. Now I will show you how to unlock this password. I'm using the website ilovepdf.com. It's a great website to use for everything around PDFs. But from now we click on unlock PDF, select PDF file, downloads, select a protected PDF file. So we want to use this. And right now it says just press to unlock button. So we do unlock. And right now it's important to fill in the password that you added to this file when you created the password. So let's see. Yeah, it always costs you a few minutes. But right now we want to fill in our password that we created. Do send. And if you do now download unlock PDFs, you can see that the PDF is unlocked. Alright, this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.